Now we'll see some of the systemic action of the local anesthetic, and first comes your central nervous system. Okay, so after application, these local anesthetics, apart from producing a local desensitizing action, it may also move to the blood vessel and it may produce a systemic action. Okay, so all the local anesthetics are capable of producing a sequence of stimulation followed by depression. Okay, so first of all, these agents will produce a stimulation of your central nervous system, which is then followed by depression. Okay, and the very first component in this order is your cocaine. Okay, so cocaine is a powerful CNS stimulant. Okay, cocaine is mainly used as a CNS stimulant drug, as such a nootropic drug. So it causes a sequence of euphoria. So you can see the curve. First of all, euphoria occurs. Okay, suppose this is the baseline. First of all, euphoria occurs, then excitement, more CNS stimulant. Excitement is then followed by mental confusion. Okay, next restlessness, tremors, muscle twitching, convulsion, which is then again followed by now unconsciousness, and then there will be respiratory depression and eventually death. So you can see initially there will be increase in the CNS activity followed by a CNS depressant kind of action. So this action is mainly produced by cocaine. Apart from cocaine, like procaine and other local anesthetics are less potent in this regard. So now why does this increased activity, or you can say increased CNS stimulant occur? Means initially it is seen because of inhibition of the inhibitory neurons. So first of all, because of inhibition of the inhibitory neurons occurs, because of which CNS stimulation occurs initially. But at higher doses, all the neurons are inhibited and the flattening of the waves of EEG is being seen, because of which there will be a CNS depression. Okay, so this was the action of your local anesthetic on central nervous system. Now coming to the action on heart. As such, this local anesthetic should produce a cardiac depressant at a normal conventional dose, but no such cardiac depression is been seen. But when given at higher doses, it may cause decrease in automaticity, excitability, contractility, and increase in a refractory period. So for knowing the better action of these agents on heart, you should study about the drugs acting on cardiac arrhythmias. Okay, because there is a class of drug for treating arrhythmias, and the name of those class of drug is sodium channel blocker. Okay, so sodium channel blockers are some group of drugs which can be used for treating cardiac arrhythmias. And if you remember the mechanism of action of this local anesthetic, yes, again it is also a kind of sodium channel blocker. So these agent can also be used for treating arrhythmias, isn't it? So this agent, when its action on heart is, it is producing anti-arrhythmic action. Okay, so this agent can be used for treating cardiac arrhythmias also. Next, its action on blood vessel. Okay, because of inhibition of sympathetic stimulation, it produces vasodilation followed by a fall in blood pressure. Okay, so almost all the local anesthetics will produce vasodilation except procaine. Okay, because procaine is producing a vasoconstrictor action, and this cocaine have got some kind of sympathomimetic property. Okay, which is the reason behind its vasoconstriction, and there will be a marked increase in blood pressure and tachycardia. Okay, so this thing happens only and only with cocaine. And apart from cocaine, all the other local anesthetic will produce vasodilation and fall in blood pressure. Because of this vasodilatory action, these local anesthetic are usually given along with some kind of vasoconstrictor drug. Okay, so these are few of its systemic action of local anesthetics.